Those overripe banana you want to throw away, they make the best banana bread. Turn your overripe banana into soft, moist, tender, fluffy coconut flakes and banana bread. Let me show you how you can make that. Start by peeling your overripe banana. Today's recipe will be using 3 overripe banana. Put it in a bowl and begin to mash it. Mash your overripe banana until it's well soft and smooth. Continue to mash the banana until it's this soft, just like it is right now in the video. Very soft, nice, smooth, without lumps. We are using 2 eggs for today's recipe. Crack your eggs into the bowl and continue to mash it. Mix everything together. Pour in your yeast, your baking powder, and give it a nice mix, just like I'm doing in the video. Make sure you mix it thoroughly until everything is well mixed up. Pour in your butter. Continue to mix. Then add your sugar. At this point, we're adding our coconut flakes. Yeah, this is the coconut flakes. We're adding coconut flakes for flavor. So put in your flour. The first batch of the flour goes in. Sieve the flour nice and take out any excessive lump and mix the flour and all the mixture together. Make sure to mix the flour very well. So we're adding more flour. Continue to add flour until the consistency of the texture is very soft. Is thick, I mean, not very soft, it's thick. We are gradually achieving the consistency we want. So I'm just going to add 1 more flour and that is it. 1 more cup of flour and that is it. continue to mix it together. So here we already achieve the type of consistency we want in this flour. So I'm greasing the pan we'll be using to bake this banana bread. Pour in the flour into the pan, the already greased pan, and spread it nicely. All right, here our bread is ready. Yeah, see how soft, nice the bread is looking. This bread looks so good, so fluffy, nice texture. So tell me in the comment section, will you be making this bread coconut flakes banana? Let me know. This is very rich and it's healthy and it's soft and it's fluffy. This is a simple budget and a friendly recipe that helps reduce food waste. Yeah. So guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be making this lovely, fluffy, sweet, delicious banana and coconut flakes bread. So bye guys, see you in my next video.